I'm on my way back down to the car because, of course, I forgot something. Hey guys, it's your boy Passholder Trav back here with another room tour. I like to do the not necessarily the Universal or Disney specific hotels, but the ones surrounding it, you know, because not everyone can afford those Disney and or Universal hotels. So this time it's at the Rosen Inn at Pointe Orlando. That's where we're at tonight, and I'm very happy with this room. We're about to go check it out. Hope you guys come along with me. Let's go get into this. So we are at 1212. That's the room number. And let's just get on in here and check it out, guys. So in we go. And as you can see, it is a spacious, very spacious room. Got all the lights on just so, you know, for video purposes so you can see it. But it is big. It's been remodeled pretty recently, I would say. I mean, a couple years, give or take. Got the chair there. Important to note, these are double beds. They're not queen, they're doubles. But got the television. A wardrobe there. Hang all your stuff in should you need to. And what I'm pretty excited about, a lot of times in these cheaper hotels you don't find this, but this is very nice, is got the coffee maker, refrigerator, and microwave in this hotel. So that's a big thumbs up. Passholder Trav likes that. We'll make our way on into the bathroom. Nothing too crazy in here. Standard, you know, shower, toilet. But, I mean, like I said, been updated fairly recently at least. I'm happy with it. It's, wasn't expensive at all. This room, for one night, I got on Orbitz. It was $60. I believe it was $60. But the one thing that you got to look out for, and I did not with this hotel, and I don't know why, is they like to charge fees for deposits for whatever reason. And it was $100 deposit for this room for one night. So do keep that in mind. I forgot about it when I booked it, but on the way here, I was like, remembered it, and so I kind of expected it, so it wasn't a shocker. I mean, a couple days they give you the money back, so long as you don't obviously destroy the room, but do keep that in mind. But I'm very happy with it. I like it a lot. I'd stay here again, sans the $100 deposit, but yeah, it's not bad at all. Also important to note that they have lots of USBs. They're everywhere in this room, so that's always a good thumbs up. If you forget like your charging cube or whatever, they got you covered here. I'm on my way back down to the car because, of course, I forgot something. Forgot my watch charger down there, but I also think it's important to note that with some of these hotels, you don't know what you're getting, but this one does have on-site dining. It has a gift shop, convenience store, you know, with the Universal and Disney type gifts on site, and a full bar. So that's always good to know. All those things are good to have on site. You know, you get home from the parks late, you don't feel like going anywhere, you can always just come back to the hotel, grab something real quick. It's always good. It's always a good thing. So wanted to throw that in. Hey guys, thought I'd walk you guys through the lobby so you can see what they have to offer in here. Hopefully I can get in there. Let's go check it out. The main lobby. Gift shop. I believe they sell Starbucks coffee in there as well. So that's cool. Your basic Disney and Universal stuff. So guys, just a few parting words on this hotel. You can see the sign right there. I don't know if you can read it yet. Rosen Inn at Pointe Orlando. It was actually about an $8 Uber ride to Universal, which isn't bad at all. 16 to Disney Springs. Again, not too bad. So, but it is a large property. It is huge. Insanely big. It's one way in and out of here. You go into the parking area, you got to go through security, and then it's one way, and you got to drive around the entire property to get out, and it is massive. I had no idea it was this big, but yeah, I enjoyed it. It was quite nice. It was very clean. Big rooms, big upgraded rooms. I like that a lot. Has the also has the privacy, for the bathroom, which is nice. I mean, 90% of the time I'm there alone, so privacy isn't really a big deal, but I understand for people with larger families or whatever, that's nice to be able to have those barn doors that close off the bathroom. That's pretty nice. And that's it. We're done. We stayed here. We're leaving. I'm going to Epcot. So thank you for watching the video. Any suggestions? If you guys have any hotels that you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below, and we'll stay at them. I like doing these non-resort hotels because I come here a lot, and I'm going to just be honest with you. You can't afford Disney and Universal hotels every weekend. You just can't. It's just not feasible. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Join my adventures on Instagram at passholder_Trav. Follow me. If you're not following me already, please follow me there. I go to the parks a lot, and there's just quite a bit of content. So until next time, guys, stay magical, y'all.